Today we're going to be doing a blind taste test with 3 different Cabernets. These bottles range from $10 to $75.
We're gonna pick our favorite from the 3 and we're gonna let you know if spending that cash is worth it or not. Coming in at $10 is a Josh Cabernet with a medium body, blackberry, toasted hazelnut, and cinnamon flavors.
Next up, highly recommended by the lady at Total Wine, is McLean's Cabernet. This is a full-bodied Cabernet with notes of ripe cherry, strawberry, dark chocolate, oak, and vanilla.
And our most expensive wine, we have the Teeter Totter Cabernet.
Voted cutest label by us.
It do be pretty cute. It is a smooth wine with raspberry and dark cherry flavors.
So we mixed them all up, we don't know which is which, and we're ready to get our taste on.
I like to think I have expensive taste, so I'm on the lookout for the expensive one. We shall see.
Can you sniff it out?
I don't know, let's see. What do the sommeliers do? They like dive.
That swirl.
They like.
Disclaimer: we are not sommeliers, okay?
We are not.
But we know when things taste good, okay?
We Googled a lot of things. This one smells really good. It's like potent, perfumey, blackberry perfume like scents for me.
I gotta get my nose deeper. I think I don't have a big enough nose for this. Like I need to get in there. Okay, wait, I know the smell.
Oh wait, they hold it like this, the sommeliers. They hold it like.
Does it smell like cherry? Okay.
It tastes like straight up blackberry juice.
Does it?
Yeah. I'm gonna say this is the Josh. It's really smooth. I like it.
You like this one?
Yeah, I like it. It's good. Let's smell this one.
I'm gonna need some coffee beans. This one doesn't smell like anything after smelling that one. Okay. I'm not really picking up many notes of anything.
What are words?
I don't taste anything.
It just tastes like
wine.
Cherry, like wine. I feel like it smells like chocolate. It's giving me chocolate.
I feel very influenced by your notes. Like the second you say something, I'm like, okay, I smell that.
These smooth, like too smooth, and I lose the flavor. I think this is the most expensive one.
By the looks.
By the looks of it.
Cause she looking thick. She looking full body.
She looking rich. Let's smell. Oh, she smells good. This one smells sweeter for me. No.
Did you just dip your nose in there? Extra flavor.
Okay, you taste that? Yeah, oh wow.
Cheers. Ooh.
I taste like raspberries. This one's really full body, also smooth.
This one's very dry. The tannin is popping.
That's how I feel. Okay.
I think this is my favorite.
This is my favorite too. This is that goat right there.
You think this is the $75 one?
This is the $75 one.
I think so too.
It just tastes rich to me. Looks rich and smells rich.
$10 wine is B. The $27 wine is A. And the $75 wine is C.
We chose C. We thought that was the best wine and it was the most expensive. So
I was right. I have expensive taste.
So maybe spending that little extra cash is worth it. It was the best one, for sure.
In this predicament, at least. Cheers.
Cheers to that. So if you want to taste test your own wines, go on to bottlerover.com and order some red wine.
Ooh.
Splurge. Get that Teeter Totter. It's good.
It's really good. We loved it. I loved it. I Teeter red. Yeah. Until next time.